Hello, Maurieo! In this video we're going to take a little bit of a look at working through standard form problems and converting them to ordinary numbers and vice versa. Now we can do this very easily on our calculator should we forget quite how to do that in our head or manually. So the first thing is, in this case here, write these numbers expressed in standard form as ordinary numbers. First thing we want to do is make sure that our calculator is actually programmed to give the answer as an ordinary number. So the way that we do that is, with this particular calculator, is to set the mode, shift mode, and we want it in 6. We want it in a fixed, and let's go with 9. Okay, and now it's all good to go. So we've got this number here in standard form. Remember, it's always a number followed one single digit, non-zero, followed by the decimal point, any number, and then any number of places, and then times 10 to the power of something. Now on this calculator here, we can put that into our calculator like so, 6.64, and then we can push times 10 to the power of, in this case, -5. In some calculators there is a button called the EXX button or EEX button, which is the same as this 10 to the power of 5 button here. And then we can just go here, we can just go equals. Now that's expressed it as a fraction there, and we can just push this one here, which will convert it to a decimal. And there's our answer, 0.1234 zeros, and then 664, like so. Very easily done. So let's have a look at perhaps the next one there. So we just go 7.2969, 10 to the power of x 7 equals, and there we get 72969 000. 0.00 if you wish. That's probably taking it a little bit too far, but that's the way that we've got it set up there. So we could change that by changing the mode. So let's see if we can just scroll down here and find a slightly tricky one. Or let's have a look at number 9. But first we must get our calculator back, and I think I might just take my little video counter out of the way. So let's go, or let's do number 9 there. So bring our calculator up, and we'll go 8.032 EX, and then the -7. So we make that right, equals, and there it is, 0.123456 zeros. Oops, I just went and had a look at something else, and 0.803, and the 2 is missing there because we've only got 9 decimal places available. So be a bit careful with that there, that we get all the numbers here, but it's definitely got the 8 in the right place, and there we've got the 2. So 10 to the -7, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I only set 9 decimal places, so we can't set any more than that. So that's a bit of a little trap there. So now we're going to go the other way, writing numbers in standard form. So we'll just get our calculator back here. Now to put them in standard form, obviously, we need to change the mode so that we're getting them back in standard form. So shift mode, and we'll go to scientific. It's generally standard form, scientific. So that would be 7. And well, we'll go with 9 if we can. Okay, and there you can actually see that it's put that previously one that we did back into scientific form, but with 9 decimal places. So let's have a look at this one here. Oops, our calculator disappears there. Okay, so we go 0.0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 0, 3, 0. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 0, 3, 0 equals, and there it is, 4.03 blah 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 times 10 to the negative 6. So that seems pretty good. Let's have a look at, we can get a large number here. So let's go 8, 7, 9, 2, 100, and there you go, in standard form, 8.792 100. So always, you should be able to do these fairly easily in your head. It's only just a matter of moving the decimal point and things like such as that. Number 19 looks like a bit of a tricky one, so let's see if we can do that. 4, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 4.36 times 10 to the 8. I'll just 4.36. Oops, 10 to the 8. Let's just have a look at that. 436. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I left a 0 off, so we might have to redo that one. 4, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals 4.36 times 10 to the 9. Okay, and we've got one last one here. I'll have a look at that one here and just do that very quickly. 0.465 equals 4.65 times 10 to the negative 1. And if we just put 1 in, 1 times 10 to the power of 0. So number 1, putting number 1 in, 10 to the power of 0, meaning remembering that anything to the power of 0 is 1. So any of the digits, obviously, if we go 9 equals, it'll be times 10 to the power of 0. So anything to the power of 0 is 1. So there you go. With your calculators, very easy to check that your standard form, that you can put a number in standard form or as an ordinary number, provided that you know how to set the modes on your calculators. So quite important that you know your way around your calculator, spend some time making sure that you can get these right. Particularly in a test situation, you only have one thing to go. So, yeah. Cheers! See you!